In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add initial fields in Pandadoc. To get started, open the template or document where you want to collect initials. This can be a reusable template you plan to send again later, or a one-time document that is already being prepared for signing. Once the file is open, take a moment to look at the page layout and decide where the initials should go. Initial fields are commonly placed near key clauses, on each page that needs acknowledgement, or next to specific terms that require extra confirmation. Next, move your attention to the right sidebar. This is where Pandadoc keeps the fields you can add to the document. The sidebar is your toolbox for building an interactive document, so it is important to make sure you are viewing the Fields panel. If you are not seeing fields, check that you are in the editing view of the document. Now, locate the initials field in the sidebar and drag it directly onto your document. As you drag, aim for the exact line or area where the signer should initial. When you drop it in place, you can adjust the positioning so it aligns neatly with the text. A clean placement helps signers understand exactly what they are approving. After the field is on the page, click the Initials field to select it. You will see an Assign dropdown. Use this to link the field to the correct role or recipient. This step is important because it controls who is allowed to fill in that field. If you assign it to the wrong person, the intended signer may not be able to complete it, or someone else may be prompted to initial by mistake. Take a second to confirm the assignment matches the right recipient before moving on. When it is time to add the initials, double-click the field. This opens the option to draw or type the initials, depending on how the signer prefers to complete it. Make sure the initials look correct and are readable. Finally, once you are satisfied, click Accept and Sign to confirm you are done. This locks in the initials and completes that part of the signing process. And that is all there is to it.